Hello there, welcome back to the channel. If you are trying to remove your card, it's MasterCard or Visa card or any credit card from your PlayStation account, here's exactly how you can do it in just a few steps. First, press the PS button on your controller to turn on your PS4 and get to the home screen. If you are not logged in yet, go ahead and log into the account that has the card you want to remove. Now press up and on the D-pad to get to the top menu. Then tap right until you land on settings is the little toolbox icon near and hit cross to open it. Scroll down and choose account management, then press cross, then go to account information. From there scroll down to wallet. Now press cross again, and this is where you manage your payment methods. Now click on payment methods, and yep, you will be asked to enter your account password here. Go ahead and type it in and then hit continue. You will now see a list of your saved cards. Scroll down and highlight the MasterCard or Visa card or whichever card you want to remove. Hit cross to open the card options. You will see a few choices like settings, it as default, editing the info or deleting it. Scroll down to delete, hit cross, confirm it, and boom, this card is gone from your PlayStation account. And that's it, plain and simple. Your MasterCard or Visa card no longer linked to your PlayStation. If this helped, give it a like and hit subscribe for more quick tech tips.